Welcome to Stratus University. Have you ever wondered what it's like to be a college student? Or if you have what it takes to get a college degree? What if you could play college and find out those answers before even stepping foot on campus? Here's what you can accomplish at Stratus University. Start your journey by customizing your player character. The adventure begins with open-world exploration. As the semester progresses, balancing responsibilities becomes more and more challenging. Mini-games introduce students to college's hidden curriculum, the unstated norms, values, and behaviors that foster success. Topics include how to email a professor, and learning about the many campus resources available. College presents a wonderful opportunity to meet new people. At Stratus University, you will be able to schedule activities with friends on campus and get to know your professors. But you'll have to be careful to maintain balance across all of your responsibilities if you want to be successful. The choice is yours. Can you manage your time, get good grades, and find your balance? Come find out and get ready for college at Stratus University. Are you ready for a crash course in college life?